Welcome to Embroidery Tutorials and Designs. Let's learn how to do flat stitch. This stitch is similar to fishbone and opened fishbone stitch, but this stitch cannot be worked in designs that have sharp ends, so it is not suitable for leaves with sharp ends, but it is a best stitch to fill in petals of the flower. To begin with, bring the needle up through the fabric at line A. Go in through the fabric at line C, a little slantingly. Again, bring the needle up through the fabric at line D. Insert the needle at line B, closely below the first stitch. Make the next stitch from A to C and then, from D to B. Continue the same steps till the design is covered completely. We have come to halfway through the design. Continue to do the remaining part. Here, we have finished a flat stitch. You can use it to fill flower petals or circles or oval shapes. Kindly subscribe to learn new stitches and for more designs in embroidery. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in another video.